Hello, my name is Ivan and I'm a software engineer at Packagecloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Packagecloud with Buildkite, one of many CI platforms that Packagecloud has integration with. Buildkite is a platform for running fast, secure, and scalable continuous integration pipelines on your own infrastructure, and we can use these pipelines to build and push packages to a Packagecloud repository. In today's example, we're going to build and push a simple node package hosted in a GitHub repository. I'll start by creating a new repository in my Packagecloud account. If you don't have a Packagecloud account yet, you can create one clicking on the sign up button on packagecloud.io. You can also see the link in the description below. Creating a repository in Packagecloud is very easy. You just give it a name and select the type of repository you want to create. And that's it. Just like that, we have an empty repository in which we are going to host the packages built and pushed by Buildkite pipeline that we're going to configure later. If you just started using Buildkite, you will be welcomed and asked to create your first pipeline. Then we choose a repository provider. In my case, I will be using GitHub. I have the source code of my package in a GitHub repository that I forked from Packagecloud. This is a simple node package example and we're going to use this for this tutorial. If you would also like to use this package, you can also fork the repository from Packagecloud. Creating a pipeline in Buildkite is very easy. We name our pipeline, select the repository we're going to build from, and define the steps. We can indicate the steps and commands in the UI, or we can select the option to Buildkite to read the steps from the repository, which is the option I'm going to select. This will make Buildkite to read the steps from a YAML file that we need to include in our repository. Next, I would like to set some steps and commands for my pipeline. So as you can see, I have created a directory called .buildkite, and in it I have created a file called pipeline.yaml. I have set 3 steps. In the first one, I'm just setting up some essential tools and also the Packagecloud gem, which will allow us to push the package to our repository. Next, I'm declaring my Packagecloud credentials with my API token. You can find your token on your account on API token. And lastly, I'm building the JavaScript package with npm pack and using the Packagecloud CI to push the result package to my repository. Now that we have our steps set, we can trigger the build pushing some code to our GitHub repository. And just like that, within seconds, we can see the build has already started. We can also see the 3 steps that we set on our pipeline.yaml file. And once the build is completed, we must see the package already hosted in our Buildkite repository. Cool. Now that we can see that the package is hosted in our repository, it means that the build and the push from the Buildkite pipeline was successful, and the package is ready to be distributed, downloaded, and installed. And that's everything for today. Thank you very much for watching.